Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the butter fisting gel. So let's get started. So this is the butter fisting gel itself. It comes in 500 milliliters and a little goes a long way. Now the butter fisting gel is ideal for use on fisting and anal penetration too. Now, the fisting gel is thicker than the standard lubricants, making penetration smoother. This is a water-based formula, which makes this product suitable for use with silicone sex toys and latex condoms as well. The fisting lubricant can also be rinsed with water. It's very gentle on the skin, remains smooth for a long time, and it's also free from perfumes. As you can see, it's very thick, but it feels very soft and smooth on the skin and will therefore feel really comfortable during use. The large pot facilitates further application of extra lubricant, so you only have to focus on pleasure. Make sure to close the entire pot cap close during use and it's ready to go again till next time. And that is the butter fisting gel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.